In our tournament system, if you have access as a captain once you log in, you will find features to manage your team for both 11-a-side and 7-a-side football, including roster management, lineups, schedule, and standings. In the first feature, you can add, edit, or remove players from your roster by entering their first name, last name, jersey number, position, and marking them as a starting goalkeeper if applicable. You can also upload a photo for each player. These players will be added to your roster and will be available for lineups. In the second feature, you can review and manage your team's lineups and formations for both 11-a-side and 7-a-side football. You can switch between vertical and horizontal views of the formations and drag starting players into their position. Formations can be adjusted directly on the field by dragging players to represent deeper, more advanced, wider, or more compact positioning. You can fully customize your lineups. These will be used in matches and will also be visible to spectators. You can save your lineup and share it with your team or fans. This can be done by downloading the lineup as an image or by sharing a direct link where others can view detailed information, including formations, starting players, substitutes, and the full roster. If you prefer, you can also share your lineup directly through WhatsApp with your contacts. You can also view the match calendar, where you will find past matches and upcoming fixtures. Additionally, you can access match details such as goal scorers, results, assigned referee, the field where the match was or will be played, and the scheduled time. Furthermore, you will be able to check the standings table to see your team's position and compare statistics with other teams. Finally, you will have access to edit your team's name. Any changes made will be reflected across all tables, matches, and statistics.